don't stop coming. Sold to the feds and I crash a plane gunning. Didn't make sense not to talk about pain. Pull the mask off and you're in extreme pain. So much to shoot, so much to throw. So what's wrong with taking the mask off? You never know if you don't show. You'll never fly if you don't go. Hey Bane, take the mask off. You're a big guy, CIA. Hey now, who will shoot guys, then throw them out a plane? Bravo, Nolan, I love you. He's a big guy for you.
It's a dark place and they say it gets darker. I'm the League of Shadows, so it's not a bother. But the Batman begs to differ. Looking at the hole in the floor of the supply of the ice you walk is getting pretty thin. The excommunicated falling right in. My fire rises, how about yours? Gotham's reckoning isn't a bore.
Hey Bane, take the mask off. You're a big guy, CIA. Hey now, who will shoot guys, then throw them out a plane? Bravo, Nolan, I love you. He's a big guy for you.
Go for the moose.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful
You're a big guy.
for you.
For the moon.
Was getting caught part of your plan?
Of course.
Go for the moon.
Hey Bane, take the mask off. You're a big guy, CIA. Hey now, who will shoot guys, then throw them out a plane? Bravo, Nolan, I love you. He's a big guy. Somebody once asked, could I spare some cash for hostages? I think one of them worked for Bane. I said, yep, what a concept. I could use a little pain myself, but only one gets to stay on my plane.
Well, the plane starts flying and it will stop flying. Break out my cuffs and then I start punching. It makes sense not to crash this plane, cause I've got a bigger one and my name is Bane. So much to do, Bruce Wayne to kill, but I am not taking the mask off. Gotta take Gotham from the corrupt. Got a bomb that I've got to erupt.